Hey guys, welcome back to Survival Addiction. Today we'll be doing another knife review. So this is for the QSP Parrot. So this knife is made of D2 steel and it has a micarta handle with copper washer. It's a really nice knife. The price that I found for it is $26.50, so that leaves the price at a 9, whereas the materials are about a 6, because it's just barely above average materials. And then as far as the design goes, I do like the design quite a bit. It's not my absolute favorite, but it is a nice design, so I'm going to give it a 7. And then as far as functionality goes, it is very functional. Cuts through paper like it's not even there. And then as far as the paracord run-through test, it cuts through it pretty smooth. Like, it really didn't feel like I was cutting anything. Kind of just went through it. All right. And then it is just over 7 inches. So about 7.25. And the blade is about 3.25 inches. All right. So functionality wise, I would give that an 8 because it is very functional. It's a nice size, it's very comfortable. For ease of opening, I would give that a 10. And then as far as safety, it is a liner lock. And it is fairly safe. Even though there's nothing blocking this from coming down and slamming my fingers shut, even when I hit this liner lock, right here, there's not a blade. So it's not gonna come shut on my fingers and hurt them as much. Okay. All right, and then as far as weight. Okay, so it weighs 2.87 ounces. And then, like I said, it is very comfortable, but it's probably not the most comfortable knife I've ever used. So I would probably give that a 9. So it does have a lanyard hole, and I do like the pocket clip. It's firm enough that it's not gonna break, but it's loose enough that I can get it in a pocket and out of a pocket. So this knife has a score of 8.43 out of 10 points. So that's a pretty good score. Definitely above average. Just about at the A range for a knife. So it basically has a B as far as knives go, which is pretty good. I like QSP quite a bit. Their knives seem to be well made. Their blades are fairly centered, they open well, the materials are good, they withstand hard use. So there's a lot of good things to these knives. But overall I would say that this QSP Parrot is a good knife. Anyways, thanks again for joining me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.